Compound is a low-position cryptographic money at present evaluated at $40.67 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $317,834,996 in an unpretentious manner. Over the past not many years, digital forms of money, including Compound, laid out areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world and explicitly are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. A few institutional financial backers even for the most part consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy incredibly. Retail financial backers and merchants are keen on digital currencies, for example, Comp, since this especially is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources explicitly have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally brief timeframe. These profits for the most part are essentially impossible in kind of different business sectors, which truly is the justification for why most by and large moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Compound, while the groundbreaking ones for the most part commit a critical piece of their for the most part cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, which is very huge. At this sort of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Compound to the level at $40.67, where it presently basically sits. As currently referenced, Comp truly is a low-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 73rd spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the essentially metric that in a real not set in stone, by duplicating the ongoing cost by the market capitalization of the advanced resource, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. On account of Compound, the market capitalization generally remains at $317,834,996. The significance of this boundary will truly be made sense of later in an especially significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation in every practical sense is planned so that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to sort of furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently basically evaluate the condition of their portfolio and especially choose whether or not it fundamentally needs to especially be reconfigured in every way that really matters, large way. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which is especially irreplaceable for the truly right assessment of both fundamentally current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its genuinely present and future course, or so they thought. Underneath you will truly find truly key selections of this verifiable information, so you also could generally have a comprehension of where the Compound market is going. Recently, on September 1st, Comp in every way that really matters was esteemed at $41.13 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings in a real sense. Recollect that digital currencies in every practical sense are exchanged day in and day out. So every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a significant manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period, generally added up to 0.48%, which is very critical. 7 days prior, on August 26, Compound for the most part was exchanged at $42.66 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that explicitly near its truly present situation in a huge manner. On August 2, which in every practical sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Comp at $61.93. The cost level that certainly is at the distance of 34.33% from where it presently stands. The cost of Comp and the readings of CVIX essentially are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts in an unpretentious way. Market capitalization is one more significant kind of metric that certainly assists merchants generally with deciding the notoriety of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities. It's likewise used to, in every practical sense, evaluate the offer that Compound generally holds inside the whole digital currency market in an especially large manner. The equation for the computation of market capitalization is somewhat basic. The coursing supply of the money being referred to truly is duplicated by its extremely current cost in an unpretentious manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Comp remains at $317,834,996, enough to name it the 73rd essentially the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market. Recently, on September 1st, the market capitalization of Compound in every practical sense remained at $321,413,818, which in a real sense is very huge. 7 days prior, on August 26, the capitalization of Comp certainly was $333,204,757, or so for the most part thought. A month prior, on August 2, how much lovely capital streaming around this in every way that really matters, specific market basically added up to $482,540,807 in an unpretentious manner. Most digital currency financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a genuinely certain cryptographic money and its capacity to endure disturbances, which truly are the truly normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market. It's evident that in every practical sense, previously mentioned market capitalization of Compound permits to characterize it as the little cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering. Since we generally have previously referenced the equation for working out the market capitalization, it would be suitable to, in a real sense, commit a part of this report to the stockpile of Comp, which in a real sense is very critical for essentially your data. There especially are three sorts of supply for basically every digital currency. The by and large greatest stockpile, which generally implies the quantity of coins that would really be created on an especially specific blockchain all through its presence. The extremely complete stockpile, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the origin of the venture. The flowing stock, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use at the end of the day, that sort of are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The greatest inventory of Compound especially is 10,000,000 Comp. The really all-out supply of Comp as of now truly remains at 10,000,000 coins. The circling supply of the cryptographic money under survey explicitly is 7,815,199 Comp in an unobtrusive manner. This Compound cost forecast wouldn't especially be truly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by, for all intents and purposes, all digital money brokers to truly affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain certainly is happening on the rear of the essentially low exchanging volume. There for the most part is a sort of high likelihood that this move fundamentally is unreasonable and would in every practical sense bring about a bullish snare. Subsequently, it's vital to examine the sort of past and the really current exchanging volume of Comp request to basically comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, which is very huge, over the especially beyond 24 hours. The exchanging volume on the Compound market especially was enlisted at $26,726,423, which certainly is very critical. Recently, on September 1, Comp basically